All right, let's talk about your bum while you are on a stationary bike. So this is my Peloton, and I have a very sensitive tailbone, like medically sensitive tailbone. So for me, riding the bike could get really quite painful. So I did a couple things. So the first thing I did is I added a seat cover to my Peloton, and this is the one I recommend here. It was super easy to install, and I've used it for a long time. In the back, there's a little drawstring here, and then this that gets tied underneath, and it just slips on. That's it. Super easy. You can see it fits, has the nice contouring here. This is what I was talking about in the back. It just slides down, right? And then this gets underneath. So easy to put on, right? Also, we'll see, it looks like my Peloton seat is brand new. I've been using both of these for 3 years. So this is 3 years of use. It looks brand new. It helps my bum. I definitely suggest that if you are using any kind of stationary bike, that you get yourself one of these padded seats. You will not be sorry.